We learned 7 colors in Azerbaijani alongside some versions that are in Russian that you might often hear. We have a couple more colors for next week, but let's first take a look at weekly recap of what we learned so far. We learned Sarı, yellow, blonde. You can see that word written with blonde and with E, without E. Çəhrayı, pink, rosy rose colored. I gave you background why we call it that way. We also learned Narıncı. I also gave you Russian counterpart of it. We also learned Bənövşəyi for purple violet. We learned Qəhvəyi for brown. And I told you why we call it coffee colored. We learned Mavi. I also gave you another version of saying this color, blue. And we learned Qırmızı and multiple versions of it as well. How can we be without that Jokuses? Let's see. My schedule is chaos, but my mood is confidently Çəhrayı. I wore Qırmızı to blend in. Flawless plan. I'll stop procrastinating when the progress bar turns Mavi. I wore Bənövşəyi so my mood could match my phone's low battery. He calls it minimalist. I call it wearing Qəhvəyi every single day. Yeah. Quiz time? What other word also means blue? Remember I told you? Drop in the comments below and I told you why we call it that way. Right? But don't forget to come back next week as we'll learn more colors and more adjectives because we spent a couple of weeks learning action words. It's time to put some color into those, literally and figuratively. Now, don't forget to come back because remember, consistency is what is going to help you build fluency. To support your fluency journey, there is Master Azerbaijani app built just for you, available to be downloaded from App Store and Google Store. Download it and start using Module 1 for free, including all the vocabulary from all the modules, including future modules. Module 1 is super important. Do it twice. Alongside, MasterAzerbaijani.com is there for you since November 2025, where I post blogs every 10 days on multiple topics, including grammar and language tips. Check those out. Otherwise, come back tomorrow to continue the journey. Cheers.